Hi my lovely viewers, this is LYT One Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make command prompt transparent in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search option. Here we can write here easily CMD here. So click on right button and we have to press the run as administrator that we can find this option. So click run as administrator. So sometimes it has revealed or some Windows or some operating systems has not revealed. So here I will press the yes. See here. So here the this criteria or these sections I will press this right button and click the properties here where we can get it clearly. In first option, no, we can't able to get it. So front, no. Here also layout, no. Colors, see here the colors opacity which has not been clear. This is the means opacity. Here 100% has been. Now if we decrease the size, see the transparent or opacity has been revealed in this way. See, the system has been transparent in this way. Then we have to press this OK. See, then close. Again we can take CMD prompt not as because we have pressed the normal mode command prompt right button and run as administrator. Yes, see the thing has been revealed in this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.